Morning, ladies. Today I'm going to be doing a drugstore eyebrow routine. I'm using three things: concealer, a LA Girl Wet n Wild brown pencil. So it's a Wet n Wild brown pencil, and then the eyebrow brush. We're gonna start by smoothing the eyebrows down. You can see I already have a thin layer of breakouts. Not the best. I live in Justice, Illinois. It's not that many people around here really know how to do eyebrows. So for the most part, they shape them up and I pretty much fill them in myself.
As you can tell, I've already done the other eyebrow off camera. I did film that side, but the filming was not that great. I'm going to start off by outlining the eyebrow with very light strokes. Once I finish outlining the eyebrow, I'm going to fill in the eyebrow. I do not fill in the beginning of the brow so that it doesn't come off too harsh. I want it to look as natural as possible, and that's why I do not fill in the beginning of the brow. I'm going to use my LA Girl concealer to clean up any harsh edges. I'm going to use the same concealer for the top of the brow, and the shade that I'm using today is FAWN. I use my finger to blend out the concealer. To me, my finger is the best tool and the best way to get this done. I'm using a spoolie here to blend out any harsh lines at the beginning of the brow. So this is the finished results. I hope you like it.
Alright, ladies, that concludes my eyebrow tutorial for today. I came back with my full face on. I had to be cute for you all. I was looking a little hot mess in the beginning of the video, but this is my together look with my eyebrow routine. I hope you like it. If you do, please hit that like button. Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday. Today is Bible class day for me, and that's right after I get off work. But today is Thursday, and we are going to start our day off once again with a daily prayer. And the prayer goes as follows. Lord, we come to you one more time. Once again, actually. We just want to give thanks. We just want to give praise and honor to you and only you, oh God. Lord, we want to say thank you once again for waking us up this morning, for starting us on our way, for your shield and protection, for your goodness, your mercy, for providing us and blessing us with all of our necessities in life, oh God. Lord, we thank you for our family members wherever they may be. We ask you to continue to cover them, continue to guide them, and continue to protect them, oh God. We thank you for life. We thank you for movement of our limbs. We thank you for everything, because without you, nothing is possible. Lord, I thank you for guidance. I thank you for clarity. I thank you for knowledge. I thank you for obedience. I thank you for healing. I thank you for all you've done and all you're going to continue to do in our lives, oh God. We know life is not perfect. We know we are not perfect. But in you, anything is possible, oh God. And we just give you glory, we give you honor, and we give you praise today, oh God. That concludes my video for today, guys. And if you like my video, if you like these prayers, please hit that like button. Please share, please subscribe. And ladies, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.